Hi guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com and I'm holding a SpinVinator because I've had a couple of comments recently where people are having a few difficulties with them. So what you normally do with the SpinVinator is fill it up with sterilising solution, pop it on a firm surface, pop your bottle on top, press it up and down a few times and that squirts sterilising solution into your bottle. Then all you need to do is then swap this over then with clean water, do exactly the same, and you've got sterilised bottles ready for filling with beer or wine or whatever you're doing. So a couple of people though have come to me because there we go. I've noticed every now and then the plunger might pop out. So inside, I don't know if you can see this, right in the bottom here we've got a little nipple, and the little nipple is where the spring sits. So we'll come to that in a moment. We've then got two parts to the plunger. We've got the straining part and we've got the plunger itself. Now when we put it back together, make sure that your veins on your straining part are actually pointing up towards you. Okay, like that. And don't know if you can see that. And then what we'll do is to try and put it back in together, we'll relocate the spring into the plunger, and then with a lot of pressure we need to get it back in its position. Now it's in position, it's ready to use again. Simple and easy as that.